Well, obviously we're cleaning the pool.
I'm the first one of our family. Isn't this sick?
Yes.
Is it cold, Mike?
Yes.
We have a shop vac going. There's Wesley and Darcy. They're smart. They're staying out of this.
Wow.
And Prego Beverly.
Here's the chocolate bucket.
Mix up some basic It's time.
Let's clean it up the pool.
And then we'll suck up the Jesus tonight. When it starts, when you can see it not going in there and plus the sign will change. Yeah.
Hey, Wes, will you go in and get the H and the G?
You finished cleaning, Linz?
No.
Show everybody your shiner.
What?
Show everybody your eye. Stand still. Look. Oh, it's lovely.
Don't get a close-up.
Of course I got a close-up.
So you know the thing is, the sand
Corner of a book hit my eye.
Swab that deck.
Swabby. I'm just pushing the sand around now because I got to get water.
Michael, you're great.
You're not getting it.
Yes, I did.
Here comes the basic to the rescue.
Hey, Beverly, what you got there?
Basic H, basic I,
Who wants to go to Pool
G.
City with me? Anybody want to take a ride?
Pod stuff. She's going to mix up some pod stuff. Oh, wait a second. Is that yours or mine?
This is mine, but I don't
Here comes the next stage of cleaning the pool, folks. You're too close. Back up. Beverly's still doing her job. Watching. It's getting there.